yard. Hello everyone. The idea behind this video literally came from some posts that I came across on Facebook. The group is called Pokaż mi Warszawę. So by starting researching Konstancin, I uncovered many interesting topics, and that's when I decided to visit the town and explore it on my own. The reason behind it was because that specific paper mill was supposed to be turned into some residential area with shops, and there would be no further chances to visit it. Konstancin Jeziorna. Nestled where nature meets tranquility lies Jeziorna, a town that holds its heart and its name by the lake. Here, every corner has a story, from its centuries-old traditions to the bustling markets that echo with laughter. Jeziorna is more than a place, it's a way of life. Whether you're drawn to its natural beauty, its rich history, Jeziorna offers something unique, a timeless charm that stays with you long after you leave. This small town at the outskirts of Warsaw, nearly 17 kilometers away, is housing 3 out of the top 10 richest Polish people. The building behind me might not be obvious, may look modern and all, but it was erected in 1760 as the first paper mill powered by water. The plant was called the Royal Paper Factory, and King Stanisław August Poniatowski was using paper only from this paper factory here. The documents of the 4-year parliament and the constitution of May 3rd were created on the paper from this factory. So weird, like it's giving the impression as if this is like floating, this Stara Papierna or the paper mill shopping center, but no, it's just a river that crosses through here since this initially established in 1760. Merry Christmas! That's a nice Jaguar, by the way. Happy New Year, everyone! I think this is the second video on this year, but the first one with Auschwitz I didn't put in anything since it was pre-recorded like some time ago. Anyhow, Happy New Year! And based on what I've seen so far, this is one of the largest sea water therapy places. You pay roughly 12 zloty per person, depending on a few criterias. And here are the opening hours. Now we're heading to the old brickyard of Konstancin. This old brickyard is responsible for the development of the entire town, since the bricks that were produced here helped help with the construction of the entire city, pretty much. We made it into the old brickyard, which unfortunately is abandoned. It did its job and then it was abandoned by its own people. Alright, we are in the old brick yard, which obviously, as you can see, has been abandoned for years now. It's like a two-way tunnel. Let me just do a little tour for you. Water bottles here, as if kids were hanging out in here. And here's the second side. Oh boy. If there is anyone out there, watch out, I'm coming for you. Most of the town has villas, but obviously, as in any other city, at the entrance of the town, of any kind of town, there are poorer houses, let's say, let's put it this way. Except that everything else within the town looks so lavish, like every single piece of land has a villa pretty much. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, the main purpose of me visiting were some abandoned villas, which made me curious to see whether they are still in the same condition or something is being done about it, and obviously the paper mill factory. Something that surprised me was the fact that within just a couple of months, since some people were posting about this couple of villas that were abandoned, a recondition process started already by the time I arrived into the town. So behind me is Park Zdrojowe, or the health park, where people can go and repair themselves. And around me there are plenty, I mean the whole town is filled with such type of villas. Well, among all these nice built-up villas, there are also abandoned villas which end up not being constructed or finished up ever, like this one here, or even worse, historical villas that were built in 1903 or right around that time, which were abandoned or by its owners, and obviously the council did not proceed with any attempt to repair, or at least seal them up, like rooftops and so on, to not over time degrade their state, to degrade. As you can see, the one behind me actually looks like the White House, kinda. It has some you know, some glimpse of like that. Behind me there is Villa Zorza, and right here is Villa Biruta, which apparently it looks like they fixed up the ceiling, the rooftop, to preserve and prevent any further degradation of the building. And here I see some huge steps into the recondition of this villa. So it seems like someone either purchased the plot of land together with the villa and started the restoration process, or maybe the council. I'm not having further information on this, but I like what I see, because the main reason why I came here was to see these two, which, by the way, the fence, there was an entrance there, now it's fenced up, so nobody can access that anymore. Nice, beautiful neighborhood with plenty of nice houses, small, big, even the smaller ones. There are still villas though. One thing that I've noticed here is that there are many foreigners which obviously invested quite a bit of money by purchasing the land with the villa, or because the majority of the houses here are villas. The flats, apartment blocks, are very few to none in this area, so the majority of them are just villas. Nice residential area with barrier encircled by, actually you can see that brick tower over there. That's where the paper mill factory used to be. It was, the works inside stopped in 2011. Paper factory number 2 actually, on Mirkowska 45. Ooh, mushrooms on the tree. And from what I see here, this is the entrance into nothing. There is no entrance apparently. Okay, let's go around then. Full bricked up 2-story buildings. No, I didn't manage to get in, and I'm not sad about it. At least I got some shots from the outside before the restoration of this area will be done. So I'll leave some shots here for you. Enjoy, and thank you for watching this video. And with that being said, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and you would like to watch some more videos in the future, make sure to subscribe, like this video, and I don't know, maybe share it with a friend. See you next time. Peace out.